For sale today is a Trak 1630 lathe with an SLX control. This machine is going to have spindle speeds from 150 to 2500. We're going to run a program for you. This machine has constant surface feed. It's got a tailstock with a number 4 Morris taper, D16 spindle. Right now it has a collet closer on it, through spindle, lever style collet closer. This machine has tracking, it has advanced features, and it has DXF converter. You can see the spindle runs nice and smooth. There will also be videos up of this machine checking the X and Z calibration. If I remember correctly, it was 0.3 of a thousandths on the X and 0.2 on the Z. Machine has real nice graphics. You will have options to purchase additionally. I do have 3-jaw, 4 jaws, 6 jaws, steady rest. There is a lot of tooling that I have available separate. It is going to come with this tool post with 1 tool holder and the drill chuck. If you have any other questions about this lathe, any Trak equipment or tool room equipment, you can give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. You can find my information at varneymachine.com. Thank you.